Howdy human, here is how to create 9:16 ratio carousels that you can use on LinkedIn, Instagram, or wherever you want in NotebookLM. So you can see my final product here for my AI fluency notebook that I have. So we're going to take this on the beginning. All we need to do is go into our notebook. You can see here I'm in my notebook. We go to slide decks, we hit the little arrow, then we get presented our options here. Select what you want, present the slides, we'll say for this default, and then I am just going to put in my prompt that I've already created here. So the key thing you need to do is this: create a slide deck in 9:16 ratio. You don't have to say for LinkedIn, I've just done it for this purpose. Now, what you'd also do here is tell Notebook LM more about where you want it to focus on the creation for the output of the content on this. But if you just want to create a carousel in a 9:16 ratio, that is how you do it. Add on your bits there, hit generate, and then you will get something just like this. But be aware, sometimes it doesn't always listen to you first time around. So do try it again if you need to, or hit the revise section up here, and then you can go through each slide and just say, change this to a 9:16 ratio. If you want to get more videos on how to use Notebook LM and all of its capabilities, check out my free Notebook LM course, which is available on YouTube. I hope it's helpful, and I'll speak to you in the next one.